Hey, it's Garrett. To make the most of MySchedulr, you'll need to configure the settings to your business needs. First, you'll need to set your bookable hours and time zone. Navigate to MySchedulr in your dashboard and select Settings. Click Set Availability in the Bookable Hours card. Choose your time zone from the drop-down at the top. Then, set your business hours. You can select the days you are available and set the hours with the sliding scale. You can also click the plus icon to create blocks of availability per day. Once you've added all of your bookable hours, click Save at the top right of the screen. Next, we'll set your booking policies. Click Add Booking Policy from the Booking Policy card in the Settings page. From this area, you can set your policies for early and late bookings, as well as a cancellation policy. You can also showcase the available time slots that are shown to your clients. Set the details that work for your business and click Save in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And before we go, I'll show you where you can add brand details and integrate with your Zoom account. You can add your business name and phone number along with an image like a logo. Just click Edit Branding from the Brand Settings card. To add your Zoom account, click Connect to Zoom from the Zoom Settings card. This integration will allow MySchedulr to input a scheduling link in your confirmation emails. Now that your account is all set up, it's time to start adding services so you can get booked fast.